Welcome, today I am with JBL XTREME 3 and I will show you how you can connect this wireless speaker to your MacBook. So at first you have to turn on your JBL by tapping once on this button. When this icon is highlighted, it means that the device is turned on. Next we have to enter for the pairing mode. To make it, you have to click on this Bluetooth icon once. As you can see, icon is blinking. It means that we are in the pairing mode. So next we have to move to our MacBook. We have to go for the Bluetooth settings. In my case, the Bluetooth is available on this quick panel. So we have to open the Bluetooth preferences. Next, we have to turn on Bluetooth. As you can see right now, it's turned on. And right now, our MacBook is looking for nearby devices. So we have to be patient and just wait until other devices pops on the list. As you can see, the JBL XTREME 3 is right now on the list. So we have to select Connect. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So let me open YouTube, for example. I'm gonna show you that the music comes straight from the speaker. So let's pick a random video with a sound, like for example this one. We can just open it. Okay, as you can hear, the sound is not coming from the speaker, so we have to go probably right here for the Bluetooth preferences. We are connected. Yeah, we are connected. Okay, so I think we have to reach the sound settings and we have to switch our internal speaker to external speaker to our JBL. Let's go here for the main menu. Oh yeah, we are here. So there we got sound. Let's go for the sound. And as you can see right here, we have to switch to the JBL XTREME 3. And right now, we can take a look. Okay, right now the sound comes from our speaker. You can definitely hear that. So yeah, that's how you can connect this speaker to your MacBook, and then that's how you can switch from the internal speaker to the external one. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.